Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to explain why your hexing meter might fail to connect and what you can do in order to fix it. So a hexing meter may fail to connect due to network issues, incorrect configurations, or power problems. So if your meter relies on a SIM card, you need to check if it has enough balance and if it is properly inserted. Poor signals strength can also be a factor, so try placing the meter in an area with better reception. Now, if your meter connects via Wi-Fi, make sure the network is stable and the credentials are also correctly entered. Sometimes outdated firmware can also cause connection failures, so check if there is an update available. Servers downtime from your utility provider may also be the reason, in which case waiting for their system to be restored is the only solution. Now, power issues could also be a factor. So if the meter isn't receiving power properly, it won't function as expected. So ensure that the wiring is intact and the power source is also stable. In rare cases, hardware defects might be the issue, and you may need to connect with hexing support or your utility provider for further assistance. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more useful tips. Thank you so much for watching.